Have you ever pondered how the current state of agriculture could be enhanced with technology? In the modern era, farming is not just about tilling the land and sowing seeds. It's a complex process that requires constant monitoring, informed decision-making, and efficient resource management. Farmers today face numerous challenges, from managing disease and pest infestations to optimizing irrigation and fertilizer use. But farming is also a field that's ripe for innovation, and technology is playing an increasingly crucial role in addressing these challenges. Enter the world of agricultural drones, a game changer in the realm of farming. This cutting-edge technology, often referred to as precision agriculture, empowers farmers with data, allowing them to monitor and manage their crops more effectively. From capturing high-resolution images of crops to applying inputs with pinpoint accuracy, drones are making a significant impact. Indeed, drone technology, or precision agriculture, is revolutionizing the way farmers monitor and manage their crops. But how exactly does drone technology contribute to agriculture, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the various applications of drones in this sector. For starters, drones play an essential role in crop monitoring and management. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, they capture high-resolution images, providing key data on crop health. Farmers can spot issues like pest infestations, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies early on, thus preventing significant losses. Drones also capture Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, or NDVI images, a popular metric to gauge plant health. This allows farmers to pinpoint stressed areas in their fields and take necessary corrective actions. In the realm of precision agriculture, drones are nothing short of revolutionary. They can apply fertilizers, pesticides, and other inputs with surgical precision, optimizing resource use and reducing environmental impact. They also gather data on soil conditions, moisture levels, and topography, informing decisions on irrigation, drainage, and other land management practices. Crop scouting and surveillance is another area where drones shine. They enable farmers to swiftly survey vast areas, facilitating early detection of problems such as crop diseases, pest infestations, or weed growth. This rapid identification aids farmers in taking timely corrective measures. Drones also excel in mapping and surveying fields. They create detailed maps, providing valuable insights into overall crop health and productivity, which in turn aids in better planning and decision-making. But it's not just crops. Drones have found a place in livestock management too. They monitor the health and movement of livestock, especially useful on large farms where manually tracking animals can be challenging. In terms of weather and environmental monitoring, drones equipped with sensors collect real-time weather data, helping farmers decide when to plant, irrigate, or harvest. And let's not forget insurance assessments. After natural disasters or extreme weather events, drones can quickly assess the extent of crop damage. This facilitates faster insurance claims and recovery processes. Clearly, drones offer a multitude of applications, making farming more efficient and sustainable. They're not just flying cameras, they're game changers, revolutionizing the way we farm and manage our resources. To better understand the impact of drones in agriculture, let's delve into a real-world example. Let's take a journey to a farm in the heartland of America where drone technology has been a game changer. Our farmer, let's call him John, was initially skeptical about adopting drone technology. However, he decided to give it a shot in an effort to improve his crop yield and overall farm productivity. He started by deploying drones equipped with multispectral sensors for crop monitoring. The high-resolution images captured by the drones provided him with valuable insights into the health of his crops. He could now identify issues like pest infestations and nutrient deficiencies early, allowing him to take corrective actions before they escalated. Then came the application of the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, or NDVI. This metric, captured by the drone, gave John the ability to identify areas of stress in his fields. He could now take targeted measures to address these issues, saving both time and resources. John also embraced the concept of precision agriculture. Using drones, he was able to apply fertilizers and pesticides with pinpoint accuracy based on the specific needs of different areas within his field. This not only optimized resource use but also minimized the environmental impact. Drones also revolutionized John's soil and field analysis. The data collected on soil conditions, moisture levels, and topography helped him make informed decisions about irrigation, drainage, and other land management practices. And it didn't stop at crop management. John also used drones for livestock monitoring. He could now keep track of the health and movement of his animals, especially on parts of his farm that were challenging to reach manually. As this case study demonstrates, drone technology can significantly enhance agricultural productivity and sustainability. It's not just about adopting a new technology, it's about leveraging it to make informed decisions, optimize resources, and ultimately improve the bottom line. For John, and many farmers like him, drones have indeed taken agriculture to new heights. As we look to the future, what developments can we anticipate in the realm of agricultural drone technology? In the near future, we can expect to see significant advancements in the capabilities of agricultural drones. Current drones are primarily used for imaging and data collection, but the drones of tomorrow might be equipped with more advanced sensors, capable of detecting minute changes in crop health or soil conditions. Imagine drones that can identify pests at the larval stage or detect nutrient deficiencies before they impact crop yield. On the regulatory front, we can expect more standardized guidelines for drone usage in agriculture. As drones become more common, governments around the world will need to implement regulations that balance the benefits of drone technology with concerns about privacy and safety. This could pave the way for more widespread adoption of drones by farmers who will be able to use these tools without worrying about navigating a complex regulatory landscape. As for the farmers themselves, we can anticipate increased adoption of drone technology as its benefits become more apparent. Farmers are always looking for ways to increase efficiency and productivity, and drones offer a compelling solution. With the ability to monitor large areas quickly, identify issues early, and apply resources with pinpoint precision, drones can help farmers manage their crops more effectively while reducing their environmental impact. But perhaps the most exciting development in agricultural drone technology is the potential for autonomous operations. Future drones could be programmed to perform routine tasks without human intervention, freeing up farmers to focus on other aspects of their business. Imagine a fleet of drones that can monitor crops, apply fertilizers, or even harvest crops, all on their own. This could revolutionize farming as we know it, making it more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Of course, these are just projections. The actual future of agricultural drone technology will depend on many factors, including technological advancements, regulatory changes, and the willingness of farmers to adopt new tools. But one thing is certain: drones are here to stay, and they will play a significant role in shaping the future of agriculture. As we continue to innovate and embrace technology, the future of agriculture looks brighter than ever, with drones playing a pivotal role in this transformation.